With 1-2 Tree, our fully equipped fleet and expertly trained crews can take care of trees of all sizes in any location. We carefully manicure trees to encourage healthy growth, making sure not to damage their natural growth pattern. There are various reasons to remove a stump, from aesthetics to complete replacement, but professional planning is always needed for safety. As South Florida is especially vulnerable to inclement weather, property owners have to take the necessary preventative measures to avoid damage and ensure safety. Your home or business deserves the best, and it's as easy as 1-2 Tree. Call us today at 305-267-1426.